She's out front, way out front, and she's just received the rest of the whistle there for the final, her final lap. Let's see if she'll be challenged here. Let's see if she'll be challenged for the first place, which doesn't seem quite logical. And she's way out front. She's way ahead of the pack. So it's Rodney House first, Rodney House second place. And this seems to be a no contest here for first and second, right? So the other Rodney House athlete just got the whistle there for her final lap, but the others have to go around and around and around. Great running here. Let's see if she's gonna break the record. The record stands at how much? 6 minutes 51.06 seconds. Shaquila Laborde completing victory there. Give her round the record broke. Wow, somebody, the official says she's just broken the record, ladies and gentlemen. Give her a big round of applause. Shaquila has just broken the record for the 1500 meters senior girls. Great running there. Athletes well prepared. As we await the others coming in. They're coming in slowly. Wait, second place ain't done yet. Bye. Right, the other athlete from Rodney House there in yellow coming in to complete second place. But the others still have to go around. See her holding her legs and she may need some assistance there. Right, the sports teacher's there to help out. Great. And the other athletes now, Shaquila coming off to sip some juice. And the others still running. Great running here today. Peterville Secondary School athletes well prepared. And yes, we're going to have a wonderful day. Still awaiting my co-MC. He's not here yet. When he comes, we'll have fun here this afternoon. Alright. 1500 meters. We're still awaiting the completion of that event. Alright, so we're waiting on the third place. So far we've only had first place and second place completing. We are waiting on third place to complete. Alright, third place completed now. Fourth place just completed and she goes straight to ground. Wow. Alright. Wow.
Little Rick make them wine for me. Bob make them wine for me.
Yes.
Black make them wine for me.
That athlete needs some assistance there. Yes, the Red Cross is running out. Right. We're still awaiting the other athletes to complete. While, yeah, we get some assistance there for an athlete who's down. Good afternoon, teacher Rudy. Right. So that one was won there by Rodney House, first place, Rodney House, second place. 1500 meters senior girls. And we're now awaiting